today's topic regarding CNS depressant. As I told you, it is one of the also known as inebriant. That is the poison that acting on the central nervous system and it causes the lightheadedness, confusion, disorientation as well as drowsiness. These effects are known as inebriation, and the poison that produces this effect it is known as inebriant. As alcohol, analgesic, barbiturate, opium, these are will be the inebriation. So in the previous lecture we had discussed regarding the ethyl alcohol as well as drunkenness. Now today we will discuss another CNS depressant agent, that is first of all mostly opium. Opium, the word, it is also known as opium. The characteristic here is that if a man uses opium once, he cannot stop it and it becomes a lifelong habitat to use opium. If a person has started the opium, then it becomes lifelong dependent on it. It is also known as various LICs. There is known as Big O, Black Stuff, Block, Ski, Midnight Oil, Chinese Molasses, Dover's Powder, and the God's Medicine. So that's why these are the various names. Opium single poppy has about 6 poppy capsule. The plant is grows single, comes yearly. Variety of color that will be found. Botanical known as the name is Papaverum somniferum. That is the dicotyledone. It grows in the China, India, Golden Triangle, and the Golden Crescent. It will be planted from the September to April, and during the month of December, January, February, it will be harvested from the plant. It grows to height of about 60 to 150 centimeter, and the flower come during the end of May and the early June. The plant will be seed, sprout will be appear 14 to 21 days, 6 weeks. Plant has 4 large leaves. Plant is about 1 to 2 feet tall. Upper portion it is known as peduncle, while the lower portion it is known as stylus. Plant will flower at about 19 days. There will be 4 petals, and the petal lasts about 2 to 4 days. Then it will be drop. When the drop, it reveals the fruit. And the fruit or podium size, it is also known as poppy fruit or poppy capsule. Size of chicken's egg only part that produces the opium, and plant now about 2 to 5 feet tall. So these are the photographs showing the opium plant. The characteristic of opium, botanical name is Papaverum somniferum, and the flower that is appeared, fruit that is appear, it about the pore size of chicken's egg only part, and this produces the opium. These are the flowers with the seen in the opium under seed. It about 34,000 brief history, BC, Mesopotamia, Assyrians, Babylonians, Egyptian, Greece, Europe, Persia, India, China, all people are using opium since 3400 BC. It is used for the medicine, it is used for the recreation purpose also. This appeared during Holy Inquisition for about 200 years. It has history that states that trade will begin again and continue to spread. British East India Trading Company monopolizes trade. Many smuggle opium. 2 opium war has been constructed before. It's opium to take out the opium. There is a world war is created, and there is a known name is opium war. Opium taxed and then banned in the USA. Vietnam War is equal to opium in Vietnam War. The basic purpose of the Vietnam War is due to opium. Drug Enforcement Administration is also carried out. Growing the opium at home, plant the seed, allow it to grow. When the pod is upright and the crown is straight out or the curve upward, it is ready to be scored. And the instrument that is used for the production, it is known as knife, blade, cup, and the scraper. And with the knife, there will be incision is created, and then with the blade, the flow will be folded out, and in the during the scraper, there is a juice is created, and it will be collected in the cup. After the petal fall from the poppy, the pod, which is about the size of golf ball, is lensed and the opium latex is extruded. What you see here, it is a one lensing metal with a special knife which has a 4 blade about 1 to 16 inch apart. There is an incision is created, and incision is created vertical septa, vertical incision it is given. It is not given horizontally because there will be septa will be broken and less juice is excreted. In the case of poppy fruit, there is a septa is present vertically, so we have to cut according to the line of the septa. Clearly visible in the photo. Initially the latex is pink and later it will be in the presence of sunlight, it will be converted into the blackish color. It begins in the late afternoon, making vertical cut, allow opium to coagulate overnight and collect in the container. Opium must be dry and the pod will be cut open, and the dry seed that is saved, it is for the next year. Cost and interesting fact is around 10 gram, $150. It is a price is about 10 gram of opium. It cost about $150. Opium effect lasts 4 hours. Means there is an effect that is carried out that is present in the body. It lasts for 4 to 4 hours. Most likely to be contaminated with the bacteria and the fungi, and addiction occurs within the weeks. Least potent of the opiates. What are the various derivatives? There is a juice that is carried out. It is from the unripe plant, and the ripe fruit. It gives the opium seeds, also known as poppy seeds, also known as khaskhas. The juice that is carried out from the unripe fruit, this juice, it is known as crude opium. Crude opium seen as a rounded, irregular, flattened mass, means that there is a juice that is a white is secreted, and it in the presence of sunlight, it will be converted into the brownish black color, and it will be collected as a end mass. So that is known as crude. So it will be rounded, irregular, flattened mass having the strong odor and the bitter taste. Crude opium contain about 25 alkaloid. There is a phenanthrene derivative. It is known as morphine, codeine, and the thibane. Morphine will be 10%. So this is known as standard opium. Standard opium means morphine concentration is about 10%. Then it is known as standard opium. Codeine 0.5%, thibane 0.3%. Isoquinoline derivative, there is a papaverine as well as narcotin. Papaverine 1%, narcotin 6%, and morphine. There is a white powder, white shining crystal, bitter taste, and the alkaline reaction. What are the various compounds? There is a natural compound, semi-synthetic, and the synthetic compound. Natural derivative are the morphine, codeine, and the thibane. Semi-synthetic, there is a known as heroin, hydromorphone, oxymorphone, as well as oxycodone. Synthetic derivative, there is a meperidine, methadone, fentanyl, and the propoxyphene. And most common in this case, it will be a methadone. Phenanthrene derivative, there is a known as morphine, codeine, thibane, heroin, as well as brown sugar. And the benzyl isoquinoline derivative, there is a papaverine as well as narcotin. Opium, opiates, and the opioids. Opioids, there is a derivative of opium, it is known as opiates. And the action, another substances, it is known as opioid. Opioid are the substances that act like the opiates, but it is not truly derived from the opium. So there is a opioids, it is not derivative of opium, but have action of the same. There is a pethidine, methadone, pentazocine, fentanyl, because they are, as I told you, it is a synthetic derivative. So these are the known as opioids. It is not a single compound. It contains the sugar, protein, ammonia, latex gums, plant wax, fats, sulfuric and the lactic acid, water, as well as many alkaloids. Active constituent, it is look like a reddish. There is a grayish brown mass, grayish black. It contains more than 19 alkaloids, some of the which are combined with the meconic acid, other with the sulfuric acid, and the same as free alkaloid. There are 3 main classes: phenanthrene, benzyl isoquinoline, and the phenyl alkyl amine. Opium alkaloid, that will be it will be highly complex organic base, 50 plus compound that will be found: morphine, narcotin, noscapine, codeine, papaverine, and the thibane. Physical appearance: solid state, there is a reddish brown peculiar odors. It will be soft when fresh, but slowly hardened when exposed to the air, becoming yellow brown. Heated, it will be semi-fluid mass, and the burns will be readily. It burns readily. Action due to morphine and the traces of codeine and the narcotin, it will be having a CNS depressant effect to release depress the pain. Pain is suppressed because of action on the CNS, it will be depressed. Analgesia and the hypnosis occur due to narcosis and due to chemical similarity to the natural substances. It looks like also known as endorphin. Opiate drug activate receptor site occupied by the endorphin. Fetal dose will be, opium will be 2 gram and the morphine will be 0.2 gram. As I told you, standard opium is about 10%. 10% morphine. So morphine is about 0.2 gram. Codeine 0.5 gram. Fetal period 6 to 12 hours. Orally it will be effective within the 30 minutes. Parenteral will be 2.5 minutes. Taking opium, it will be, because of its bitter taste, it is easily, that will be known as, by consumption of the direct material, it will be very rare because opium is bitter. Some disguised taste with nutmeg and the cinnamon occur. Drink poppy head will be crushed and mixed with the wine, honey as well as water. There will be also opium, it is taken by the smoking purpose. In a reclined position, the smoker would use an opium pipe with a small pill at the end, holding it over flame. The pill would melt and the scent would be inhaled. These are the effect that is seen. What are the various symptoms? Person having the no such pain, lack of response, emotional and the physical sluggishness. There is a sleepiness, constipation, irritable, sensitive to noise, hot, sick, out, cold places. Sign and symptoms, that will be first excitation, then depression, and then paralysis of the nerve center. First stage of excitation, it will be short, absent in the large doses, sense of well-being, excitement, mental activity, hallucination, stage of stupor. Depression, there will be drowsiness, lack of attention, dull perception, and uneasiness feeling. Stage of coma or the neurosis, there will be uneasy sleep, coma, and the death. Other will be respiratory depression. There will be pulmonary edema, cyanosis, pinpoint pupil, and the dilate in the case of coma. Pulse will be slow due to increased vagal tone. There is a postural hypotension also occur. Reflexes will be brisk. Face will be flushed. Conjunctiva will be suffused. Skin will be cold and clammy. Wet and pale. Dew and the sweat. All secretion will be decreased except oculomotor, sweating, and the vomiting. This center will be not depressed. Oculomotor, sweating, and the vomiting will be not depressed. Secretion will be depressed. There is a positive effect. Person having the euphoria, pain have been suppressed. There is a treated dysentery in the 17th century due to this emotional detachment, and it also acts like an antidepressant also. Negative effect, person vomiting, constipation, health problem. There is a fetal abnormality, collapse vein, frequent infection, pregnancy problem, and there is a death occur due to large doses. Physiological effect, it will be attached to the specific receptor site in the brain and replacing the natural opiates. Inhibit pain message from the entering cortex, continue use and the body stop producing its own opiate message. Neurotransmitter change receptor and the membrane chemistry withdrawal. There will be body will be fighting to restore the regular function. So these are the known as mucoid receptor that will be carried out, and this will be sensory pain afferent receptor will be suppressed. Differential diagnosis means there is a opium sign symptom is resemble like the other sign symptom that is present. These are the known as differential diagnosis, but there is some difference. First of all, there will be acute alcoholic poisoning with sign symptom resemble like the opium sign symptom. But in the case of acute alcoholic, there is a smell will be present typically of the spirit smell, fruity smell, pupil will be dilated, hyperemia, face and the neck, subnormal temperature. Barbiturate will be pupil dilated, respiration shallow, deep coma, reflexes will be decreased, and the thready pulse. In the this effect that will be seen in the case of barbiturate. Third one will be the carbolic acid poisoning. The carbolic acid, but we have to differentiate by the carbolic acid poisoning by phenolic smell. There is a white patches on the skin will be seen, and in the case of urine, there will be carbolyuria present. Carbon monoxide poisoning, there will be cherry red discoloration, carboxyhemoglobin and intermittent convulsion that is present. In the case of trauma, there will be bleeding from the person may have in the bleeding from the ear, nose and the mouth, rapid respiration, irregular giant stroke respiration, pupil will be unequal, cranial nerve paralysis and the fever with the rigor. In the case of malaria, there will be fever and the spleen will be enlarged, but not so in the case of opium poisoning. Person having the encephalitis will be acute onset fever, pupil or palsy, CSF will be changed. There is a features of the encephalitis will be found in the case of cerebrospinal fluid, but in the case of opium, this is not so. Involuntary movement that will be present. Meningitis and symptoms same, but meningitis having the gradual onset, and in the case of meningitis, there is a neck rigidity that will be present. Person having the constituent temperature will be increased, CSF will be changed, meningeal irritation that will be found. Coma that will be present. It will be epileptic coma. In the case of epilepsy, there is a seizure. Pupil will be fixed and the dilated skin will be flushed, tongue will be bitten. In the case of diabetes mellitus, there is a flush taste, air hunger, low intraocular tension, acetone odor, uremic coma that will be gradual onset, and there will be chain stroke respiration, generalized anosarca, and the albumin and the blood and the cast in the urine that will be found in the case of uremic coma, but not so in the case of opium. In the case of treatment, we should have to give the artificial respiration and the CNS stimulant agent naloxone. It is a specific antidote of opium. So 0.5 gram IV, milligram IV gastric level should be done with the KMNO4, and it will be left in the stomach to making the compound that will be excreted. Methylamphetamine, that will be hydrochloride. 20 gram magnesium sulfate. Airway breathing should be maintained, electrolyte and the fluid correction that is to be taken. In the case of heroin, it is a diacetyl morphine. It will be also known as horse, it is also known as dog, it is also known as junk. Another name will be China white, black tar, dead on arrival, bulldog, sweet dreams, deuces, baseball, smack. These are the various names of heroin. Chemical name will be C21H23NO5 diacetyl morphine. It will be taken, this drug should be taken by the injection. Pharmacies give free needle to prevent the spread of disease. There will be smoke. It is to be also taken by the smoke. It is to be also taken by the snorting effect. These are the photographs of the looking of the heroin. So these are the known as diacetyl morphine. It is also known as brown sugar. Opium to heroin, from opium morphine to, first of all, there will be, whenever there is a heroin should be prepared, it is first we have to prepare morphine. From the morphine, then it is converted into the diacetyl morphine, it is known as heroin. First of all, we have to take opium sap taken from the plant, let dry, add water, boil and stir until the opium will be dissolved. Scoop out non-soluble parts, then float to top. Added slaked lime and the stir. This turn will be morphine alkaloid into a more water-soluble calcium morphinate. Let it cool and filter through a coffee filter or the rice cloth. And once dry, there is a substance that is present. It is known as morphine. From the morphine, it is to be crushed, morphine pills, and mixed with the distilled water, mineral spirit and the toluene, put into an oven for the 30 minutes at temperature 50 to 80 degrees Celsius and stir for the few minutes. Use a syringe to take out the water, morphine solution, being careful, and more water to be added and put on the stove up to 90 degrees. Then add ammonia to get a pH of about 9. Put in a freezer, and then when cold enough, put the solution through a coffee filter and let it dry. Then we have the injectable free-base heroin. What are the symptoms? Person having the symptom of the brown sugar poisoning. There is a muscle spasm, slow breathing, extremely small pupil, pinpoint. There is a dry mouth, tongue, discoloration, bluish fingernail, intestinal or the stomach spasm, constipation, weak pulse, low blood pressure, drowsiness, disorientation, delirium, as well as coma. Positive uses. It created as a better morphine, but has since been discovered to have no positive effect. Switzerland legalized the heroin, prescribed to addict as a way to minimize crime and stop drug dealing. There are now 1,000 prescription slots. Feeling of euphoria and the well-being, person having the relaxation and the sedation and analgesic effect, there is the pain will be relieved. Negative use, anyone use in the extra, it will be causes the negative. There will be often addicted. As of after first use, financial ruin, people can't afford to support addiction, use many times per day, become dependent on the drug. Quitting lead to addiction of the other drugs such as methadone. Negative effect of heroin include nausea, vomiting, constipation, dizziness and the blackouts. These are the various effects. It is known as diacetyl morphine. Now we will discuss regarding the Now we will discuss regarding the methanol. It will be known as wood alcohol, wood spirit, wood naphtha, or the colonial spirit. It is a clear, colorless, volatile liquid with a characteristic odor and the bitter taste. It is used as a solvent. That is in the case of shellac and the varnish manufacture, and used as an antifreeze compound. It is also mixed with the rectified spirit to make industrial methylated spirit, which is used in the arts manufacture as a denatured spirit. And this is also part of the embalming fluid. Embalming fluid contains the formalin as well as this formalin. It is known as formaldehyde, and this formaldehyde it will be known as methyl alcohol. Embalming fluid, windshield washing fluid, and the leather dry. Common name in India will be Bevada, Fredge, Polish, Hook, Popdi, and the Ladda. There is a mechanism of action. Methanol will be converted into the formaldehyde in the presence of alcohol oxidase, alcohol dehydrogenase enzyme, and this formaldehyde will be further converted into the in the presence of formaldehyde dehydrogenase enzyme into the formic acid, and this formic acid is about 25 times more potent than methyl alcohol, and the formic acid will be converted into the carbon dioxide and the water, and it will be having the most toxic effect of the methyl alcohol is produced. It is due to conversion of the methyl alcohol to formic acid. Within 1 hour of ingestion, the symptom will be started: dizziness, weakness, headache, vertigo, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain. There is a most commonly it will be deposited into the eye, and the person having the visual disturbance like the photophobia, blurred vision that will be seen. The concentric diminution of the visual field for the color and the form is usually seen by the partial or the total blindness due to retrobulbar neuritis, which is due to toxic effect of formaldehyde on retinal cell. So there will be person having the photophobia occur, person having the difficulty in the vision, acute vision will be destroyed, and there is a color partial or the total blindness. Why this occur? Because there is a retrobulbar neuritis is developed due to methyl alcohol. On fundus examination, we can find hyperemia of optic disc that is followed by the retinal edema leading to optic atrophy, and this will also cause the blindness. There is a severe metabolic acidosis will be followed, tachycardia, hypertension, hypothermia that will be seen. Death is occur due to respiratory failure. So these are the various effects of the formic acid on the eye. Fetal dose will be 70 to 100 ml. Fetal period will be 24 to 36 hours. Most common treatment in the case of methyl poisoning is the ethyl alcohol. Why it is given? Immediately gastric lavage should be done with 5% sodium bicarbonate. There will be ethyl alcohol is the base specific antidote. Is compared for the same alcohol dehydrogenase enzyme. So that's why alcohol dehydrogenase enzyme will be mostly used for the conversion of the ethyl alcohol to acetaldehyde. Rather than methyl alcohol to formaldehyde will be conversion will be stopped. So it is known as competitive antagonist. Okay. So ethyl alcohol, why we are giving the ethyl alcohol? It compared with the alcohol dehydrogenase enzyme. So formaldehyde to formic acid conversion will be stopped. Once the formic acid formation is stopped, it will be there is a all toxic effect of methyl alcohol will be suppressed. 10% ethyl alcohol is administered intravenously in the dose of 10 milliliter per kilogram slowly over a time period of 30 minutes. It is maintained at the rate infusion 1.5 ml per kg per hour to maintain blood level of 100 milligram per 100 ml of blood. When we are giving the ethyl alcohol, there is a precaution should be also taken that ethyl alcohol level should not be increased. Blood ethyl alcohol level should not be increased. Because there may causes the ethyl alcohol toxicity. Ethyl alcohol can be given orally mixed with the fruit juice. The usual dose will be the 1 ml per kg of 95% ethyl alcohol in 30 minutes, which can be maintained at about 0.25 ml per kg per hour. Another specific antidote will be the fomeprazole, 4-methylpyrazole. It is an antidote. It is a direct inhibitor of alcohol dehydrogenase and does not cause a CNS depression. There is a sodium bicarbonate. It will be used for the correction of the metabolic acidosis. Hemodialysis is the more specific treatment. Formic acid will be hasten the elimination. Folinic acid that will be given to elimination of the formic acid. What are the various postmortem findings? We can find that organ will be congested, lung will be congested, edematous. The pungent smell of methyl alcohol can be appreciated, and the eyes may show retinal edema. There is a cyanosis will be prominent. Medical legal cases, most poisoning of methyl alcohol is quite common. If the person is not getting the ethyl alcohol, then it will be easily dependent on the methyl alcohol, and this causes the toxicity of methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol, adulterated intoxicating beverages are sometimes sold to poor people who cannot afford country-made liquor or the Indian-made foreign liquor. As a result of which there is a mass tragedy occur. It is known as Hook tragedy, or it will be also known as Lathakan. Chloral hydrate, it is also known as Mickey Finn, also known as knockout drops. It is used as a hypnotic agent. Nowadays it is not used in the clinical practice. It is sometimes used as an adulterant in the case of illicit liquor to increase its intoxicating effect. Means it will be mixed with the ethyl alcohol to getting the kick effect of ethyl alcohol. So rather it is a use for the kick effect of the alcohol, and that's why it is having this knocking effect. So that's why it is known as knockout drops, and that's why it is also known as Mickey Finn. So these are the various names. It is a colorless crystalline having the pungent banana smell and the bitter taste. It is easily soluble in the water as well as alcohol. The common symptoms are the nausea, vomiting, gastric irritation followed by the hypotension, drowsiness, unconsciousness, loss of reflex, deep coma that is present. It will lead to death of the person. Chloral hydrate is well absorbed through stomach and intestine and is metabolized to trichloroethanol in the liver by the enzyme alcohol dehydrogenase, and it is excreted in the urine, that is known as urochloralic acid. Treatment should be given, gastric lavage, cardiac arrhythmia should be managed, and the conservative treatment should be accidental poisoning. When the chloral hydrate was used as a hypnotic, suicidal cases have been reported. Chloral hydrate has been used to stupefy the victim to facilitate commission of the rape or the robbery. It can be easily be given in the beer or the whiskey. Some people put it in an alcoholic drink to increase the intoxication effect, that is known as kick effect. Now we will discuss regarding the barbiturate. It will be white crystalline odorless powder with the faint bitter taste. It is used as a sedative as well as hypnotics. There are the classification most commonly asked in the Vyvasi question: long acting, intermediate acting, short acting, and ultra short. Long acting will be, action will be start by the 2 hours and remain up to 6 to 12 hours. So 2 hours, 6 to 12 hours. So there will be barbiton, phenobarbiton, methyl phenobarbiton, and the phenytoin. Intermediate acting will be, action will be start by the 1 hour and remain up to 3 to 6 hours. The first will be 2 hours, 6 to 12 hours. Second intermediate will be 1 hour, 3 to 6 hours. So amylobarbiton, butobarbiton, and the allobarbiton. Short acting will be, in the case of, it will be start early. Rather than 1 hour, it will be start within the 15 minutes to half hour and remain up to 3 hours. So there will be cyclobarbiton, phenobarbiton, hexabarbiton, and the quinalbarbiton. Pentobarbiton. And the ultra short acting action will be start immediately, and the duration of action is only 5 minutes. So there is a thiopentol sodium, thiobarbiton, methohexiton sodium. So first long acting, there is a action will be start in the 2 hours, 6 to 12 hours. In that case, there is a barbiton, phenobarbiton, methyl phenobarbiton, and the phenytoin. In the case of intermediate, action will be start by the 1 hour, and there is a 3 to 6 minutes. Remains up to, action will be up to 3 to 6 hours. Amylobarbiton, butobarbiton, and the allobarbiton. Short acting, action will be start within the 15 minutes to 1 hour, 15 minutes to half hour, and it will be remain up to the only 3 hours. So there is a cyclobarbiton, pentobarbiton, hexabarbiton, and the quinalbarbiton. Ultra short acting action will be start immediately and lasting up to the 5 minutes. So there is a thiopentol sodium, thialbarbiton, and the methohexiton sodium. So these are the various long acting, intermediate, short acting, and the ultra short acting barbiturate. It will be depressive effect on the CNS, cardiac, and the respiratory center, interference and the depression of the cytochrome enzyme system. So that's why there is a fatal effect that will be produced once the cytochrome enzyme system will be depressed. It also causes the renal output will be reduced. There is a failure of the temperature regulating center that will be present in the hypothalamus. This center will be depressed. The person is not able to, there is a thermal regulatory mechanism will be destroyed. There is a rapid paralysis of the respiratory center by ultra short acting barbiturate. Sign and symptom of toxicity, usual therapeutic dose of barbiturate, that is a deep sleep without any undesirable side effect. Single large dose or multiple small dose at short interval will be, there is a toxic effect. Toxicity has 3 stages: stage of excitement, stage of confusion, and stage of coma. Once up started, first will be the excitation effect. There is a visual disturbance, hallucination, diplopia, nystagmus, and the incoordination, slurring of the speech, incompetent articulation, ataxia, vertigo, headache, impaired judgment, irresistible desire to sleep, gradual loss of superficial and the deep reflexes, loss of painful stimuli, and the gradual loss of consciousness that will be present. Stage of confusion, patient will be fall into the deep sleep, and within a short time it will be goes into the stage of coma. And once the coma, there is the face become flushed, congested, then sinus, temperature falls, barbiturated blister that will be characteristically featured, that will be seen. Present in the 6% of the cases, there is a patches of erythema that will be seen, and it becomes the converted into the vesicle. And this vesicle contains the clear viscous serous fluid. Where this blister will be situated, it will be mostly seen in the case of interdigital cleft, internal aspects of the knee, buttocks, backs of the thigh. Blister also seen in the case of carbon monoxide poisoning, tricyclic antidepressant poisoning, and the meprobamate poisoning. So, what are the poison that causes the blister effect? First of all, there will be barbiturate. Second one will be the carbon monoxide poisoning. Third one will be the tricyclic antidepressant poisoning, and the fourth one will be the meprobamate poisoning. So, these are the barbiturate blister characteristics. Erythematous patches. Respiratory system will become rapid and the shallow, gradually slow, deep, and the labor within the short inspiration and the prolonged expiration. Serious will be depression of the center, weak and the rapid pulse, fall in the BP, fall in the cardiac output, ventricular fibrillation, cardiovascular collapse, flaccid paralysis of the muscle, diminished deep reflexes, and death occur due to respiratory failure, ventricular fibrillation in the early stages, and person having the bronchopneumonia, pulmonary edema, or irreversible anoxia in the later stages. There is a barbiturate automatism, drug automatism that will be found. Person taking the barbiturate, immediately person will be forgotten over and next tablet will be taken. So it is known as barbiturate automatism. Automatism means person forgot the taken tablet and another dose will be taken by the patient. So barbiturate, why this occur? Because it causes the mental confusion and amnesia to person taking the barbiturate pill. So the person taking this pill as a medicine may forget that they have taken the dose and leading to take them dose one after the another automatically. And this will produces the intoxication effect. This leads to cumulative toxicity, harmful manifestation, and if the more doses are taken, then there will be death occur due to respiratory failure. Treatment will be gastric lavage, using diluted solution of KMNO4, tannic acid, charcoal, concentrated solution of magnesium sulfate should be left in the stomach to produce purging and reduce absorption. Don't use emetic in the comatose patient. No specific antidote that will be found. And the Scandinavian method of the treatment should be used. There is airway, breathing, circulation, and the fluid management. There is a CNS stimulant sometimes given to stimulate the respiration. In that case, is amphetamine, 5% glucose saline with the amphepheniazole, demigrate. Nowadays, there is a demigrate therapy is not used because of rather it causes the toxicity effect. Most commonly, there is a forced alkaline diuresis or the osmosis carried out, phenobarbital, allobarbital, and the barbital poisoning. In that case, forced alkaline diuresis will be most helpful. It is not useful for highly potent bound barbiturate. And in that case, we have given 100 to 200 milligram, 20% to 25% mannitol, followed by the 10% dextrose in the distilled water, followed by the 5% the glucose saline. This is useful in the case of poisoning by the long-acting barbiturate. We aim at maintaining urine output about 10 to 20 liters per day. In case of respiratory difficulty or spreader, there is a O2 inhalation, artificial respiration, as well as tracheostomy for the maintenance of the respiration should be given. In the case of shock, there will be noradrenaline, hydrocortisone, plasma expander to restore the renal function, peritoneal dialysis, hemodialysis, exchange transfusion, or the use of artificial kidney sometimes to maintain the renal function. Raise foot end of the bed to prevent the aspiration of the mucus or the gastric content. There is a maintained body warmth, evacuate bowel by the enema. In case of prolonged coma for deep ventricular fibrillation, electric shocking, inflatable cup, or the heparin should be given. In symptomatic treatment and the nutritive support also should be given. And for the post-recovery psychosis, paraldehyde diazepam should be started and the psychotherapy should be given. So these are the, as we have discussed, long-acting, intermediate, short-acting, ultra-short-acting, how it is, they will be affected. Postmortem finding, there is no such. Sometimes barbiturated blisters you can find. GIT, if the person has ingested barbiturated, there will be white particle will be seen. Erosion and the hemorrhage, blistering and the necrosis that will be found. Lung will be congested, petechial hemorrhage, brain will be congested, edematous, multiple hemorrhage and softening of the globus pallidum and the corpus callosum. Barbiturate level will be detected specific gas liquid and the high pressure liquid chromatography method. Barbiturate used as a hypnotic, lumical, sonoril, avipan, elonal, noctal, carbital. Barbiturate that is used as a basal anesthetic in the general anesthesia. There will be sodium amytal, sodium sonoril. So, person, famous celebrity Marilyn Monroe, it will be state that he has been died due to barbiturate overdose. Medical legal aspect, judicial use के लिए as a sedative hypnotic, as a treatment in case of insomnia, anxiety and other psychiatric condition, in epilepsy of the central origin, as a general anesthesia in minor operation, in the case of judicial or the criminal use, accidental occur, there will be involuntary suicide, automatism and the homicidal purpose. So these are all related with the barbiturate. So now just we have completed the CNS depression. Thank you very much all of you.